Assalamu alaikum Commerce Craze Hub. What technologies are required for ecommerce, or electronic commerce? Relies on a variety of technologies to facilitate online buying and selling processes, as well as to provide a seamless and secure shopping experience for customers. Here are some key technologies required for e-commerce. 1. Website development to payment gateways. 3. Inventory management for databases. 5. Security software. 1. Website development. Building and maintaining a user-friendly and visually appealing e-commerce website is fundamental. Platforms like Shopify can also be used to set up online store. 2. Payment gateways. Secure online payment processing is crucial. 3. Inventory management. Inventory management software helps track and manage product availability, pricing, and restocking. It ensures that customers see accurate product information. For databases, databases are used to store data about products, customers, orders, and other information. They are essential for any e-commerce website that wants to keep track of its data. 5. Security software. Security software is used to protect e-commerce websites from cyber attacks. It is essential for any e-commerce website that wants to keep its data safe. Don't wait, start learning now.